I did my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I'm going to be using the MAC Laying Low Paint Pot as a eyeshadow base for this halo eye today. And I'm going to be applying with a MAC 195 brush. Please work fast with this product. It is amazing. The color shows up, but it also dries fast, and it's also thick, and it's also very opaque. So just work fast with it. It's okay if you have to blend it out with your fingers, and a little goes a long way with this product. I'm going to just set it over with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Translucent Powder in the number 2. This powder is super finely milled, so it's great for that. I'm going to use the Charlotte's Icons palette, and I believe that color is called Smoked Flames. I'm just going to put that in my crease. This is going to be a transition color. Even though I'm doing the halo eye, I do want to carve out my eyes to kind of give me the guidance on where to go, and I need a transition. I don't want just like one blank color. I need it to go into the purple shade that we're going to use. Always use a light hand with your eyeshadow products and brushes. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Smudger brush. It's really dense, so this is going to pack the color and help me get that definition. So when you use these really dense, short, stubby brushes, they pick up more products and they apply them differently. I'm going in with the purple shade from the Anastasia Rivera palette. I believe this palette is still sold. It's the color Cannies, and that's going to be one of our main colors. And I'm just going to layer that through the crease, and I'm going to diffuse it with the fluffy brush because we don't want any patchy, just one color type of shadow. You want it to transform into like a different color, or you want it to transition well. And I'm going to take a flat brush and just lay the shadow on each side of my eyelid, the outer part of my eyelid, and also the inner part of my eyelid. So we're going to create that halo effect. And don't worry guys, it don't have to be neat. If it's not neat, it's okay, because we're going to go in and clean it up. We're going to diffuse out this product again. I'm just going to diffuse it out. And then I'm also going to go into a color, it's called Palm. I didn't put it on camera. It's like a dark brown. So use any dark shadow you have, not black, but if you want black, go ahead. And just define that in the crease, and then take a fluffy brush to diffuse and airbrush out the shadow. And then I'm just going back in with Cannies again, and I'm going to just layer that back on top, because when you diffuse and you blend out the shadows, you can kind of lose the definition a little bit, so you kind of have to go in and out. Eyeshadow is just literally building and going in and out, building and going in and out. We're going to take the Laying Low paint pot, lay that right in the middle of the eye. This is where the halo part comes to effect. You can also use concealer if you don't have a Laying Low paint pot, a NYX, like one of those NYX shadow sticks, anything that's going to separate the shadow. Feel free to use it. Like I said, work fast with this paint pot. It dries really quickly, but the motion that I'm applying it, I'm working fast, and I'm also doing stiffer motion, so where it blends out as well. So kind of pat, move, pat, move. And now we're going to take the color Mediterranean out of the Rivera Anastasia palette. It's like a really pretty cute holographic silvery blue type of color. Now I'm going to take the AMC Pure Pigment eyeshadow in the number 85. This is by Inglot. This is a nice pigment. I like to add a pigment on top because these shadows are not pat and grab, you know? So you want to just add a little bit of sparkle on top. So you can add a pop shade or like a pigment, a glitter, something to just make it more pop, because that's going to make the halo even stand out even more. This is the Urban Decay liner we're going to use. These lashes are new lashes I'm trying. I had no clue they were this big, but they're TEASE Lash by Dream Lash. They're like huge. But I'm just going to do some NYX Liquid Matte Liner across the eyelid, and then I go in and do my wing. Make sure you're resting your hand like you have a good resting spot for your elbow. I'm going to just take some Chanel mascara. I'm just going to prep my mini lashes I got and I'm going to just add some to put these fake ones on top. And guys, also this lash, it came applied really well. Like I didn't have to cut too much. The lash was really easy to apply. And I just used duo glue. Now I gotta get this face right and I'll be back. So I'm back, just did my face real fast, and I picked up some MAC TEYANNA Taylor, and I'm just going to try out her lip products. I have the CHESTNUT lip pencil. It's my favorite lip pencil ever. And then I've also picked up 2 colors that I'm going to show you guys in the video, and this is the MAC TEYANNA Taylor collection. So yeah, very pretty packaging, very pretty. The colors are good. MOANINNN and what's this one? This one is I Got a Man. I don't. But these are the 2 colors that I'm using. I decided to mix them together just to kind of show. One of them reminds me of Velvet Teddy, but I wasn't feeling this, y'all. I wasn't feeling this for this look. So I just want to go in and do the NIGHTMOTH liner. This is a bomb OG liner from MAC. It's like a really deep berry, so if you don't have this, get a deep berry lip liner. This is Stone by MAC. It's a cool tone, grayish purple lipstick, super comfortable, and I thought this looked way better with the lip. This is Dose of Colors Gloss, and this is the color Dolly, and this one is like a purple type of pink lip gloss, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you click the bell. Bye bye.